Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is Mask Monday, and y'all, I just recorded this whole thing. And then I looked and saw I wasn't recording. Oh my goodness, that happens to me sometimes, y'all. But anyway, I put this mask on. I was putting the mask on, and I'm fitting it, and I'm like, I'm not recording. So, oh, sometimes that happens. And Camille just jumped up, and this is a nice mask. It fits real nice. It's, you can't really see it very well on me. I like when it fits, looks like your skin. So let me tell you a little bit about the mask, and then I'll tell you a few other things. I have some friend mail. I'm excited I have some friend mail. And I also want to tell you about my collab that I'm in. This is Pure in Skin. So P-U-R-E-N-S-K-I-N. It is a Korean mask. It's really pretty. I have these in several different styles. It says Invisible Skin Fit. This one is avocado mask, and it says nutrition. And on the back, it's mostly in Korean. It says avocado is a nutritious superfood that contains a lot of vitamins, especially to help skin that needs a lot of moisture. So perfect for me. And it doesn't have a scent. It's a nice fit. Of course, if I wasn't talking, it would fit a little bit better. Anyway, my collab, y'all. Have you seen my collab video from yesterday? If you haven't, go check it out, because I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun, and it's with, there's 12 channels altogether, and it's the Dollar Tree train that Miss Jackie Russell does, and I think I've been in it before. She invites different channels to be in it, and it's just a lot of fun. It's a great group of channels, and we had a lot of fun gabbing and all about it. So Miss Jackie Russell is the hostess, or host, however you like to say that. And then Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More. Tracy did all of the work. She made the playlist, she made the ads. I had 2 ads that I've shown in the last week or so, and she made our thumbnails also. She did a fantastic job, and she usually does that for those collabs, and she's just very talented. And then who else is in the collab? Reviews with Sue, Faye Blatcher, Laura Wooten Reviews, Favorites with Laura, Katie's Corner of the World, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Unboxing with Arlene, Lori's Life, Simply Southern Belle, which is Brandy, and me. So it's just a lot of fun, a great group of ladies, and we are all showing you what we like to decorate with for the Dollar Tree. And then we're all doing a giveaway, and everybody's giveaway will be different. So we try to keep our videos short so you'd be able to watch all of them in the 2-week period. So hopefully that's the case. For me, I'm doing a mystery giveaway, but it'll be nice. If you've ever won a giveaway from me, I try to give good things. Would you sit down, lovies? Okay, now Blue is here. So they're taking over the table. And I got some friend mail, and I'm just really excited about it because I wasn't expecting anything. And so anyway, the cat's having, you know, when you think you're filming and you're not filming. Anyway, I have not attempted to open the friend mail yet. I did cut them open to get started. So this one is, I don't know who it's from because it just has an address, a street address, and no name. It says start each day with a smile, and it has some cute little pumpkins on it. Isn't that cute? Yes, Camille, who likes to bite everything now. She's in a terrible biting stage. Absolutely everything and everyone. And Blue, yeah, yeah. I don't know why he's sitting here. I'm surprised he didn't run away. Well, let me see who this card is from. Oh, it's very beautiful. Isn't that pretty, y'all? I love that painted scene. It says Anemones and Chinese Vase. Henry Matisse. Oh, I love Henry Matisse. Camille, stop now, love. And it's oil on canvas and produced in conjunction with the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, are where these cards are from. That is beautiful. Matisse has so much watercolors and so many beautiful colors. Look at all the colors he used. Very beautiful. Okay, let's see who this card is from. Oh, it's from Elizabeth. Elizabeth is a subscriber. I won't say her last name since she doesn't have it on here. She's thanking me because she won a giveaway. I'm glad she got it. She won a giveaway that was from the home office box. There was a sunflower pen, and then I put some other things in there. So she's saying that she hasn't had a chance to use everything yet. She likes the pen. She's writing a note with that pen. And she's, this is very nice. She said, I love watching your channel. You and the cats brighten my day. Thank you, Elizabeth. You would brighten my day. Now, this is going to aggravate me if this keeps slipping, but you know, when you talk, see, if you're not talking, it would just stay on. And y'all could use your little rollers if you have one. This is supposed to help drain when you go out. It's supposed to help drain the lymphatic system. And there's videos about how to use this properly. Camille, you're gonna have to start, you see that she's biting him, so he's up now. And then there's these little around the eyes. I need a little extra help on that eye. Okay, Blue. I don't blame you for leaving. I would too. She was biting me, which I'm next. Just want you to know. Since she's here, I'm next. Okay, I do have more friend mail, y'all, so let me show it to you. The next thing, Camille, she won't listen to me. All right, stop, Libby. I got a little package. So I did cut it open, and this is from Kelly LaChapelle. And Kelly is a longtime subscriber of mine. Elizabeth is, neither lady have a channel. Elizabeth I've known for a few months now, and Kelly I've known for a long time, really possibly since I started my channel. Kelly's been around a long time. When I started my channel, I knew a lot of people because, you know, I got a mouth on me, and I would go to several of my favorite channels, like Reviews with Sue, Kim's, what's Kim's channel name? She's changed it a few times. Hanging Out with Kim. She was Kimmy's Boxes at the time. Andrea from Arkansas Gals. And then there were several other channels that I just loved and would watch all the time. And I would comment, and I would talk to some of the subscribers. So when I started my channel, I had a few come right over to me, which was really very nice. But this is what she sent me, and I did cut it open. All right, there's a card. Oh, there's something in there. Oh, there's something jiggly. It says Mary. Mary. Okay, Camille. Oh. All right, let's see. Oh, this is cute. It says hello. Really pretty colors also. It says, hi, Mary. I'm glad I caught your live on Friday. It was a party as usual. They sell these at I think Kelly's in Minnesota. They sell these at Minnesota's largest candy store. Oh my goodness, in Jordan, Minnesota. I think that's what MN is. Oh, y'all, look at that. She sent me this. I was just there a couple weeks ago and bought a couple packs. What a coincidence. Enjoy, Kelly LaChapelle. Thank you, Kelly. Oh my goodness, she sent this to me, y'all. And I hate this postage. I just hate that you spent money to send this to me, Kelly, but I am so excited, y'all. On my live, we got to talking, I don't know how. Sometimes on lives, you just go off on a path. And we were talking about old-fashioned candies. Or you know, we think they're old-fashioned because they're from when we were kids. But some of them are still around and some of them are not. And one of my favorite candies as a kid was Boston baked beans. And I haven't seen them in years. And this is it. Isn't that too cute? It's the original Boston baked beans, candy coated. See, they're candy coated peanuts. Do y'all remember them? It has a Boston bean pot right there. And let me take them out and show you. They're smooth and shiny, and they just have like a sugar coating around peanuts. I love that salty, sugary. You know, that salt and sweet together. I love that. So let me put a few in my hands. It might be hard to see. This is what they do look like beans. See, they look like beans. And they are a peanut inside. delicious. Thank you so much, Kelly, for thinking of me. That is the sweetest thing. Thank you so much. Oh, I love that. The flavor comes right back. The taste comes right back. Just what I remembered. Thank you so much, Kelly. That is so sweet of you. I appreciate that very much, y'all. Y'all are so good to me. Thank you, Kelly. And thank you so much, Elizabeth, for the beautiful card. I just didn't want to read it. It's seeing some personal stuff going on in there, so I didn't want to read it. But the cards are so bright and cheery. Thank you, ladies. I'll put these on my refrigerator. I love to see that kind of thing. So I know you all have a lot of other channels to go visit. So this is like already dried around my lips, but it feels really good and moisturizing. So I'm going to leave it on for a little while longer. Okay, y'all. And thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for the friend mail. And y'all have a fabulous week, and take a little time to do something nice for yourself, okay? And count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all.